I think virtually everyone has heard of Deepseek in the past week. And today I want to show you the benefits of using it in your Obsidian chat. The main difference of Deepseek over a model like Llama 3.2 is its reasoning process. You can read the entire reasoning behind its answer before the actual answer. It's as if you could hear someone think before they answer. And this can be really useful for making sure that the output is using the desired reasoning. And if not, you can easily correct it with more precise language in your prompt. Another great advantage for using a local model like DeepSeek over a hosted model like GPT-4o is, of course, that it's free. And also that it keeps your content 100% private. It's never going through a server. So if you have any content that is too personal or contains confidential information, it's probably the best lightweight model that you can use nowadays. And another major bonus about this model is that you can use it while offline, when on a train or on a plane, for example. Here's an example of a psychiatrist's note, for example, which is typically strictly confidential. If I were a psychiatrist, I would take my notes in Obsidian and I would have a vault specifically for my practice. And I would have my AI chat model set to DeepSeek, as I did here. And after my consultations, I would add a message like this one. So here we can see that in the AI chat, I have my note in context. And I could add a message like this, for example, criticize my diagnosis. And then I press enter. And then we see the step here, the thinking step is the entire reasoning that I was telling you about. So usually if you use ChatGPT 4, you see the answer straight away. This step, you don't see it. But if you've used O1 preview, there is this entire thinking phase. And yeah, it takes a bit longer, but it's really useful because you see what it looked into. And for me, the biggest use case for this is to see, okay, maybe they didn't approach it the way that I wanted. So oftentimes I can ask it to approach it using another perspective. And this part here where you see the think is basically a window into the thinking process of the AI. So you can really analyze everything that it's considered for the answer. But sometimes, as I said, some elements can be overlooked, and this you can really realize in this section. And you can see that it started here and it finishes right here. And starting at this point, we have the actual answer, which I think is a bit dry and overlooking some important aspects of my diagnosis. So if I check here the thinking part, I can see that maybe it's not considering some observations that I might have missed or something. So I can ask another question like criticize my diagnosis and improve it by saying, are there observations that I could have overlooked? And then I send it. Okay, so I fast forwarded a bit here, but we can see that we have a much more complete answer here, thanks to the fact that I could analyze the reasoning process and see if there were aspects there that it was missing. And here I specifically asked for observations that I overlooked. And if we check the entire reasoning process, we can really read the mind of the AI, and we can see here that it explicitly looked into this if there was something I didn't mention. And it listed the entire what I could have forgotten. So yeah, just to show you that you can really get into the mind of the AI to better better, to improve your prompt better as you work with a certain type of content. So for example, here, if I work with psychiatrist notes, I can really get deep into the reasoning and improve to get the best prompts I can. So I hope this example could help you understand how that can be really useful, really powerful. Because a solution like this gives me a second professional opinion, or at least very useful hints to improve the quality of my work. And most importantly, everything remains 100% private. Finally, I know a lot of you closely monitor the advances of local LLMs, and Deepseek really feels like a stepping stone towards making them much more robust. Personally, it's what we've been waiting for to make Node Companion work 100% with a local model. We did some extensive testing with other lightweight models like Llama 3.2, but we could never really get the performance that we needed out of it. So right now we have integrated it into the AI chat only, but we're confident we can bring you the full experience within a few weeks. That's it for today, guys. And as I said, we're currently working on bringing the entire Node Companion experience powered by Deepseek. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get to use the Deepseek chat that I showed you in this video so you can see for yourself what it can do for you.